Hello everyone. So in this video again we have another interesting question for you pertaining to geometry, triangles and trapezoids. So let's take a look. Triangle ABC has length AB equal to 9, BC equal to 5 root 3 and AC equal to 12. Points A equal to point A equal to P0, P1, P2 dot till P 2450 equal to B are on segment AB with PK between PK minus 1 and PK plus 1 for K equal to 1, 2 till 2449. At point A equal to Q0, Q1, Q2 Q4000 Q till Q 2450 equal to C are on the line segment AC with QK between QK minus 1 and QK plus 1 for K equal to 1 to 2449. Furthermore, each segment PK QK K equal to 1 to 2449 is parallel to BC. The segment is cut into triangles into 2450 regions consisting of 2449 trapezoids and one triangle. Okay. Each 2450 regions has same area. Find the number of segments PKQK such that K equal to 1 to 2450 have rational length. Okay. So let's for now, if we are supposed to solve this kind of question, for each K between 2 and 2450, the area of trapezoid with PKQK as with segment PKQK as, let me write it properly, as its bottom base is the difference between areas of two triangles. So let me give you a brief example so you can get an idea. Suppose this is our triangle, say, and we have only one trapezium. Okay, so this is the trapezium. So here the area of this particular trapezium will be equal to, suppose, let me mark this A, B, C, D, E. So area of trapezium BDEC will be equal to area of triangle ABC minus triangle ADE. Okay, so this is what we mean by this particular statement. So hopefully this is clear. Area of triangles, both similar to triangle ABC. So try and visualize this statement with the help of this particular diagram so that you can, I have just done for one trapezium. So subsequently if I do another trapezium, again the similar results pertain again. So that continues to be the case as well. So now, however, we know that area of each shape that we are drawing is 1000. Just let me write the statement as well. Area of each shape is 1 by 2450 times area of triangle ABC. Okay, we also know that. So let's keep this thing in mind. Now one thing we can do, let dk be the length of segment PK QK. Okay, So therefore area of trapezoid with base pk minus 1 qk minus 1 as the segment, and pk qk will be dk by 5 root 3 whole square minus dk minus 1 by 5 root 3 whole square equal to dk square minus dk minus 1 whole square by 75 times area of triangle ABC. Okay, so now we already have this particular statement and this particular statement. Okay, so now let's see further how we can further simplify the same. We can write dk square minus dk minus 1 whole square by 75 equal to 1 by 2450. So simplifying the same, we have dk square minus dk minus 1 square equal to 3 by 98. Again, we know d0 squared equal to 0, so therefore d1 squared equal to 3 by 98, and in general dk squared equal to 3k by 98, where k can be anything from 0 to subsequent 24998. So with that said, and also dk can be further written as root under 3k by 2 by 7. Here the smallest value, the smallest k that gives rational dk is equal to 6. Okay, so therefore dk is rational. It's rational if and only if k is equal to 6n square for some integer n. And now the largest value, of n such that 6n square is less than 2450 is 20, because 20 squared into 6 is basically 2400, which is less than 2450. Okay, so therefore k has 20 possible values, which is therefore 20 is our answer. So I hope this is clear, the approach we have taken towards solving the same. The question seems pretty complicated at first when we try to approach the same, but eventually we once we get the gist of it and how to approach the same, we get a fair bit of idea on how to tackle this kind of questions in general. So kindly go through the video multiple times in case you are having difficulty try to grasp the same at one go, and with the video as a reference, try to solve the same so that you can get a better understanding of the matter also. So with that said, we've come to the end of the video and I'm signing out. Thank you so much.